Look at this. What kind of a mushroom is now blooming? Now starting blooming oyster mushroom. This is the oyster mushroom. This is beautiful oyster mushroom. Now, nice, beautiful. Look at this beauty. There's some bug. It's okay. This is the oyster bug. Look at the beauty of oyster mushroom. Beauty of oyster mushroom. This is what I'm looking for. Lion mane mushroom. Lion mane mushroom. What a beauty, 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 beauty. This is which I harvest. This is tree ear mushroom. Alright. So was all dry up. So I'll put in the water. So I'm gonna make mushroom fishy soup, which I harvested. And this is a coral mushroom which I harvested. I made dry. So let me put in the water. Put in the water and soak it up and make softer. Mushroom will be alive again. Alright. Look at the mushroom, water comes out. I put the lion mane mushroom. Let me make delicious mushroom soup. And I'm gonna put the oyster mushroom which I harvested today. Ear mushroom, this is tree of ear, getting big. Just put it. Oyster mushroom. Hannah Wood. Sesame leaf. Okay, this is the mushroom meal. Alright. This is today's mushroom. Oyster mushroom is main. And the mushroom soup. Alright, let's taste. Alright, this is mushroom soup. This is ear mushroom. Crunch. Little slimy and crunch. This is a lion mane mushroom. This is a lion mane mushroom. Mmm. Mushroom body is a little jelly. Tastes good. Listen. Looks good. And this is a coral mushroom. Good taste. This is the oyster mushroom. Fresh oyster mushroom. This is henna wood. Each mushroom texture is different, but delicious. A lot of good mushroom soup came out. This is good health benefit. Oyster mushroom. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Delicious and healthy mushroom meal. Enjoy picking mushroom and be healthy. Eat, be healthy.